Everyone, hope you all are well. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for the support. Today I want to take you through how I prepare my homemade pizza using what? Potatoes. What I'm using here is for sweet potatoes. So you grate your potatoes here, then you soak them in water to avoid what discoloration of your potatoes, because you do not want to have any black potatoes here. After, please, if you are watching me and you want to skip this video, please don't, because if you skip, you are going to miss a lot. Something terrible happened to my phone while filming this video. So if you skip, you are going to miss a lot. And I do not want my wonderful subscribers and my new subscribers here also to miss any salient portion of this video. So I'll just quickly take you through the ingredients that we'll be using to prepare this wonderful recipe here. I have my red bell pepper, my green bell pepper, my spring onions. I also have my tomato puree. I have my salt to taste, my vegetable oil, any vegetable oil of your choice. I also have my 3 eggs and my nutmeg. Don't forget your salt. Don't forget your salt. Don't forget your salt. So what we are going to do is we are going to chop all these vegetables and put them aside. And let me tell you this wonderful thing. Hey, how can I forget my spring onions? All my spring onions is also what? Is also here. When I finished preparing this homemade potato pizza, I gave a portion to my neighbor. She was like, "Wow, I love it. I love it. I'll come to your house for a tutorial on this." I was like, "Wow, if she has enjoyed, why don't I share it with my wonderful subscribers here?" So if you are watching me, please try to prepare some for your family, especially your kids. They will love it. So you grate your carrots here, and after doing everything, we will put aside the ingredients that we have chopped. Then we'll go ahead to saute all of them to have that aromatic flavor here. And after sauteing, what are we going to do? We want to have that colorful pizza here. So we just put it aside. We'll go ahead and do what? We'll add our onions, our green bell pepper, our red bell pepper, the carrots we are not going to add here, but then we'll add our tomato puree to have that colorful vegetables here. So when you are done, you just then strain your grated potatoes and mix all the ingredients together at this point. You add your carrots. You add your carrots. See how colorful it's looking here. Then you add your 3 eggs. And what I did was I mixed my vegetable oil with the eggs here. So my vegetable oil is in the carrot. Then I'll go ahead and add my sauteed vegetable sauce. Then I'll mix, and have this beautiful garnished homemade pizza. Then I'll go ahead and put it in my oven to bake. I do not have cheese here. If you have cheese, you bring it out and you spread a little on it to have that stretchy pizza. I enjoyed mine without the cheese, and it also came out very, very nice. So try to do some at home. Thanks so much.